Hello, and welcome back to the second part of my mini-series. Today we're going to be talking about all the parts on the server here, and we're going to be installing them, and then installing Unraid. Let's take a quick look at what we have.
Here we have an additional processor, heatsink, and 10 gig network card. Here we have 3 TB hard drives, a 128 gig SSD, and a 512 gig NVMe drive. Here we have a video card for use for virtual machines. First, remove the fan covers to gain access to install the additional CPU. Pull up the lever and drop the CPU into place. Make sure the arrows line up correctly. Lock the levers back into place. Spread the thermal paste all throughout the processor. Place the heatsink and screw it down in place. Install the NVMe card into the PCIe slot on the riser card. Attach one end of the SATA cable to the PCIe card and the other end to the motherboard so the server can recognize the SSD drive. Install the video card into the next PCIe slot. Place the fan cover back in place and close up the server.
Here we have 8 hard drives. 7 of them are 3 TB drives, and one of them is a 6 TB drive, which will serve the purpose of being a parity drive. Now that we have installed all our components and have our hard drives ready, let's install Unraid.
Open your web browser and navigate to www.unraid.net. Click the download button. Now click the download for Windows button. Run the application. Insert your USB drive. Now click Write. Now click Erase and Write.
Hey guys, I really hope you're enjoying the video. Please to hit that like and subscribe for updates for future content. Now that we're finished creating the USB drive, let's get Unraid installed onto the server.
Plug the USB drive into the server and power it up. We have to set the USB as the first bootable drive. Press F2 to enter the BIOS. Here we see the server has detected the second processor. It has also detected the 128 gig SSD drive. Click System BIOS, then Boot Settings, then BIOS Boot Settings. Click Boot Sequence. Make sure hard drive C is located at the top. Make sure hard drive C is checked under Boot Options. Click Hard Disk Drive Sequence. Make sure USB drive is located at the top. Click OK. Click Back, Back, Finish. Yes to save. Now press OK, finish, then yes. Write down the IP address. You will need this to access the Unraid web interface.
We have just successfully installed Unraid. If we get this error, we have to take an additional step. So go ahead and plug the USB drive back into your computer.
Open the USB drive and look for the make boot file. Right-click and run as administrator. Follow the prompts.
That's it for this video. Make sure to stay tuned for the next one where I go into more detail for configuring Unraid.